Today we're working on division with remainders. But this time we are going to work on them without using the models. So we're going to start with number 1 and divide 73 divided by 8. So what we need to be thinking of is this. 8 times what number is about 73? That's what we need to be thinking about when we're working on this problem. 8 times what number is about 73? And that's going to be 9. 8 times 9 is close to 73 without going over 73. So 9 is going to be my quotient. 8 times 9 is 72. So I am going to subtract 72 from 73 to get 1, and that is my remainder. So we have a remainder of 1. So we're going to be looking at dividing, but we're not using the models this time. We are just going to use a method, a way to help us divide the numbers appropriately so that we can come up with the correct quotient and remainder. Let's try number 2. 32 divided by 5. Let's look at how we're going to solve for this. So again, here's what we're thinking. We're taking the divisor, which is 5. 5 times what number is close to or is about 32. So we want to figure out 5 times what number will get us as close to 32 as possible without going over 32. And that number is going to be 6. So 6 is going to be my quotient. 5 times 6 is 30. So I'm going to subtract 30 from 32, and then this will give me my remainder. So my remainder is going to be 2. Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3, 27 divided by 4. Again, I'm going to take the divisor and I'm going to think to myself, what number times 4 is about 27? And that number is 6. So 6 is going to be my quotient. 4 times 6 is 24. And when I subtract 27 minus 24, I'm going to have the remainder of 3. And our next problem, 53 divided by 6. Again, I take the divisor, 6, and I'm thinking to myself, 6 times what number is about or is close to 53? So I need to multiply without going over 53. It's going to be 8. 6 times 8. 8 is my quotient. 6 times 8 is 48. And then I need to subtract 53 from 48. I can count up from 48 to 53, or I can regroup. Either way is going to be fine. I'm going to just count up: 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and that gives me 5, and so my remainder is going to be 5. So that's the basics of what you need to be able to do to divide with remainders. And this is practice so you can check the work that I have sent home with you. And I'm going to give you some other practice problems just for extra practice so that you can work on them at home in your journal. Here are the other problems for you to practice. Go ahead and pause the video and work on these. Remember, you do not need to let me know about watching this video. This is just for some extra practice so that we can better interpret remainders once we are able to actually do the division parts without drawing the models. See you in class tomorrow.